Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've got quite a rare find. When I say rare, it's the condition of this next razor. It's quite unusual. It's completely unused. It's made around about the early 50s. And from what I can see, I don't think it's ever been out of its box. So, here we have a Rolls Razor. This is the Viscount model, and yes, there are plenty of Rolls Razors on the market. We know all about that. However, this is completely unused. There's not a mark or a scratch anywhere on this aluminium case. When you open it up, you press the button at the top here. Inside the leather strap, I've put some red paste on it so it improves the sharpening qualities. It's even got the original paper, protected paper, on both sides. You close it like that, and the other side, when you open it, you've got the strap. This refreshes the blade when you need to occasionally strap. Again, we've got the original paper. Everything's neat. The blade is immaculate, as you can imagine. It's still got the original cover on the blade. So we just want to take out the handle and remove the blade. You can see the blade there. Just take this cover off. When you take out the blade from this Viscount model, you can see the blade there. What you do is you turn it 90 degrees and then it just lifts off, as simple as that. And the strapping mechanism is used by this handle, and you just literally just go up and down with the strap before and after you use it. The handle just slides onto the blade, and then you screw it. You screw the handle like that until it's tight. And that's it, nice and simple. Made around the 1950s, early 1950s. And it's survived nearly 70 years without being used. Absolutely immaculate. On both sides. So we shall put it to the test. I haven't done anything to the blade, I've just refreshed it on one of my stones, on one of my barber's stones, and it responded immediately, gathering the water up, dispersing the water, and I've just given it a few light strops on the actual leather strap inside the case. So, here we go. And it's just taken 6 days growth without any fuss. I have a Viscount razor. In my rotation of blades, and even mine's not as good as this. Great advantage of these Rolls Razors and all single edge blades is there's no need to buy razor blades ever again. If the new owner looks after this, it'll last for a lifetime. It's already 70 years old, so it'll outlive anybody, I think. For those of you who are not really familiar with the Rolls Razor, the blade is just like a straight razor. It's a hollow ground blade made from the best Sheffield steel. The only difference being it's got the safety bar along the edge, so you don't, it saves you from being nicked, as you sometimes do with a straight razor. But this is really, really smooth. So just to recap with the Rolls Razor, this Viscount model, it's a little bit more refined than the Imperial model. This is made from aluminium, it is made from Sheffield steel. The great thing about these kits is that you've got both straps together in one kit. No need for separate straps, and great for travelling. Just throw it in your kit bag and off you go. Perfect. So there we have it, the famous Rolls Razor, the Viscount model, completely unused apart from this shape test. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll probably catch up with you next week. Bye for now. Have a good Easter.